Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm cool. Where about you, teacher?
I'm doing great. What is your name?
My name is Judith. And you?
Okay, my name is Mr. Rock. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Angola.
What nationality are you?
I am Angolan.
Do you love your country?
A little bit.
What is your full name?
My full name is Judith Alexandre.
What is your first name?
My first name is Judith.
Okay, what is your middle name?
My middle name is Alexandre.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
Are you married or single?
I am single.
What is your favorite color?
I don't have favorite color.
What is your favorite food?
I don't have to.
Okay, what is your favorite drink?
Juice and water.
Did you have breakfast?
No.
Are you hungry?
No.
What are you doing?
I am talking to you
Are you talking to me in English or in Portuguese?
in English.
Where is your father from?
My father is from Angola.
How many siblings do you have?
One sister.
One sister.
brother.
One brother. What is your job?
I don't have a job.
You don't have a job.
At the moment, I'm a student.
You're a student. And talking about being a student, where do you study?
I study in Luang.
What is the name of the school?
The name of my school is Imag.
And what is your favorite subject?
Accounting.
Do you like numbers?
So much.
Okay, great. What is 10 plus 10?
10 plus 10 is 20.